Hello students, welcome back in another session of 12 Computer Science Paper 2. So let us proceed chapter 2, Instruction Set and Programming of 8085 Microprocessor, session 2. Student, today we are going to learn about addressing modes, different types of addressing modes in 8085 microprocessor. In previous lecture, we have seen what do you mean by opcode and operand, or 1 byte types of instruction, means format, instruction formats, means 1 byte instruction, 2 byte instruction, 3 byte instruction. See, very fast revision. 1 byte means, what do you mean by 1 byte? Only opcode is there, no data or no address. That instruction will be 1 byte instruction. 2 byte means opcode or operand. Operand means either data or address. It is called as operand. So in 2 byte instruction, only data will be there. And 3 byte instruction means only address is there. Those instruction is 3 byte instruction. Now, in this session, different types of addressing modes depends upon in previous lectures. So let us see addressing modes. In 8085 microprocessor, 5 addressing modes. How many types? 5 addressing modes. See, first one is direct addressing mode. Second, register addressing mode. Third, register indirect addressing mode. Fourth one is immediate addressing mode. And last one is implicit and implied addressing mode. Student, first we will see what do you mean by addressing mode. Addressing mode means the method of the specifying the data to be operated by the instruction is called addressing mode. See again, the method of the specifying the data. Specifying the data means whatever data you specified in instruction to be operated by the instruction, which instruction is used, is called addressing modes. Now see one by one addressing mode with suitable example. Now see, first one is direct addressing mode. Now see, in direct addressing mode, direct means, what do you mean by direct? Directly given the data in instruction. So direct addressing mode, in this addressing mode, the address of operand is specified within the instruction. Now you know very well what do you mean by operand. Operand means either data or address. So the address of operand is specified within the instruction. Okay, means directly address given in the instruction. It specifies the 16-bit address of the operand within the instruction itself. If one thing is, remember, if address is specified means 16-bit address. It is also called as 16-bit. Okay, if address is given, then it is 16-bit address. The second and third byte of instruction contains this 16-bit address. Student, in previous session, 1 byte, 2 byte and 3 byte. In 3 byte format, second and third byte contains 16-bit address, means high order data or address or low order data or address. So if that address, if 16-bit is there, then that address divided into low or high order. Means in that instruction or that instruction always 3 byte instruction. If addressing is there, then instruction always including 3 byte instruction. Always remember. Okay. Understood, student? Now see the example. See, LDA6070H. Already I have explained this. When 4 digits are specified within the instruction, means see here 6070H. H means hexadecimal number. Here 4 digits are there. If 4 digit means it indicates address. So LDA 6070. Don't think about what do you mean by LDA, because in next lecture we will see the all instruction in details. See, LDA 6070H means loads the 8-bit memory location 6070H into the accumulator. Means 6070 is a memory location, and that memory location, whatever data to be stored, that data load into the accumulator, not 6070. 6070 is a memory location. In that memory location, whatever data to be stored, how much data will be stored in 8085 microprocessor? Only 8-bit data. Why? Because 8085 microprocessor process only 8-bit data. Now LDA 6070 means in this instruction address is specified. So this instruction is direct addressing. See one more example, STA 7008. Here also this is address. 7000 is address. So this instruction also including in direct addressing mode. STA means stored address. Store the content of accumulator in 7000H location. A means accumulator. Whatever data stored in accumulator, that data stored where specified in this memory location means 7000 memory location. Understood, student? Direct addressing means the instruction in which address is specified are called direct addressing mode. In simple statement, always remember, in any instruction, if address is specified, that instruction is direct addressing mode. Okay, understood, student? Now next is register addressing. Now you know what do you mean by register. In 8085 microprocessor, how many general purpose register? 6. Which? B, C, D, E, H and L. These are the general purpose register, and these register used in this register addressing or instructions. Okay. Now register addressing means in these instructions are always single byte instruction. Now you know single byte means it is also called as 1 byte. Only opcode is there, no data, no address. Okay, that instruction including in 1 byte instruction. So register addressing means, firstly one thing is remember, register addressing means the instruction in which only registers are specified are called register addressing. Means in this instruction no data, no address, only register. Means that register may be B, C, D, E, H, one of them. Okay. Now see, so here no data or no address, so this instruction including in single byte or 1 byte instruction. Address is not required for this type. Okay, so here address is not required, and in this addressing the register name is specified in the instruction. Means only register names are specified in this instruction. That instruction is register addressing mode. This is register to register or accumulator to register transfer. Means all transfer instruction group, that instruction mostly including in register addressing mode. Now see the example. Move A, B. A means accumulator. A, B are general purpose register. Okay. So A is accumulator, B is register. Means here move the content to B register to A. So here Data is specified? No. Address is specified in this instruction? Data is specified? No. Address is specified? No. Only register is specified. Okay? Means the instruction is which only registers are specified are called register addressing mode. Understood, student? Now next is register indirect addressing. See, register indirect means here register is available but indirectly. Indirectly means see, register indirect instruction are always 1 byte instruction. Here also this instruction always is 1 byte instruction. Register addressing is always 1 byte instruction, because in this addressing mode no data or no address are specified. So this instruction always 1 byte instruction. The memory address where the operand located is specified by the content of a register pair. See here, by the content of a register pair. You know how many register pair in 8085 microprocessor? 3 register pairs are there, which BC, DE and HL. But HL is also indicates memory pointer. HL register pair is also used for memory pointer. Always remember. So in this register indirect, the memory address, okay, the memory address where the operand means either data or address. Operand located is specified by the content of a register pair. Means in this instruction, if register pair is used, that register pair, whatever data to be stored in that memory location or register pair, first register pair stored in some memory location, and that memory location stored some data. Means indirectly that data will be stored in that register pair. Okay. So see example, add M. Add M. M means M indicates memory. Okay. M indicates memory. Always remember, in any instruction M is specified that M indicates memory. Memory means, see here. Now memory means which register pair is used? HL register pair is used. No BC or D. These both register pair are not used for memory pointer. Only HL register pair is used for memory pointer. So add M means add the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL pair to the content of accumulator. See here. See here, this word is very important, HL pair. Okay, here not use either BC or D. Always use HL pair because HL is memory pointer. So whatever data stored in HL pair, that data indirectly stored to memory. So this instruction including in register indirect addressing. So one more example, move AM. Okay, move AM. Here also M is specified. Move AM means move memory to accumulator. So student, one thing is remember, if register indirect, the instruction in which M is specified. Remember always these tricks. M is specified. M is specified. That instruction including in which addressing mode? Register indirect mode. Understood, student? This is a trick how to guess or how to find which instruction including in which addressing mode. So always remember, if any instruction M is specified, if M is specified, that instruction always including in register addressing mode. Understood, student? Now next is immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. Now see, immediately, instantly. Immediate means immediately or instantly, that store the data immediately. Okay, so 1 or 2 byte instruction are used for this type of addressing. Now you know 1 or 2 byte instruction. If 1 byte means opcode or operand both in instruction, means move AB. Okay, that instruction not specified the data or address. 2 byte instruction means only data, 8-bit data are specified in the instruction. So immediate data, immediately addressing instruction, either 1 or 2 byte instruction. In this instruction, the actual data is specified within the instruction. See, this word is very important. Actual data. Actual data is specified within the instruction. Which data required for your calculation or arithmetical logical operation, that data specified. You can directly specify data using immediate instruction. Okay, so in this instruction, the actual data is specified within the instruction. Actual data means directly data you can give in the instruction. Now in immediate addressing, the data appears immediately after opcode. See, immediately after opcode. Now you know opcode. Opcode means operational code. Which instruction is used, that instruction converted into opcode means after instruction or after opcode of instruction in program memory, means where data is specified after the opcode of instruction in program memory. Understood, student? Now see the example. ADI 34H. ADI. I means immediate. I means immediate. AD means add. Add immediate data 34H with accumulator. Add immediate. What is the function of this ADI? ADI means add immediately data. Which data? 34H. For with accumulator. Okay. Add immediate data 34H with accumulator. Now see one more example. SUI05H. SU means subtract. I means immediate. 05 is 8-bit data. Okay. Means 05 is actual data. See, 05 is actual data. 34 is actual data. And in opcode, see here, third point. In immediate addressing, the data appears immediately after the opcode. See here, this is immediately after the opcode. ADI is opcode, SUI is opcode. Means this actual data after the opcode of instruction in program memory. Now SUI05H means subtract immediate data 05H from accumulator. So student, one thing is remember how to find the immediate addressing instruction. So listen, the instruction in which I is specified are called immediate addressing. Which I is specified. Here I, only I. Okay. I is specified. The instruction in which I is specified are called immediate address. Always remember. Okay. Understood, student? Immediate addressing means. Now see, last addressing mode is implicit or implied addressing mode. Implicit or implied addressing mode. This is very easily find which instruction including in this implicit or implied addressing mode. In this implicit addressing mode, always 1 byte instruction. 1 byte instruction means there is no data, no address. Okay, only register is there. Now see, in this type of instruction, generally operand is not specified within the instruction and it is predetermined. Generally operand is not specified. Now you know what do you mean by operand. Operand means either data or registers or address. But in this implicit or implied addressing mode is not specified within the instruction and it is predetermined, means within the instruction. It is defined within the instruction. Generally the operand is accumulator. See, accumulator is very important one. Mostly operand is accumulator, that instruction including in implicit or implied addressing. Means the instruction in which no address, no data, no registers. See, the instruction in which no address is specified, no data is specified, no any register is specified are called implicit or implied addressing mode. Now see the example. CMA. See, in this is the instruction. This is the instruction. See, in this instruction, here any register are specified? No. Data is specified? No. Address is specified? No. So only instruction is there. So this instruction including in which addressing mode? Implicit. CMA means complement the accumulator. Means in this instruction no data, no address, no register is specified. Complement the accumulator. See one more example. RRC. Here also RRC. Here data is specified? No. Register is specified? No. Address is specified? No. So this instruction including implicit or implied addressing mode. RRC means rotate accumulator right. Means student, if move A or B, okay, move A or B, means this is the difference between these two instructions. See, here A or B register are specified, here no register are specified. Means this instruction which addressing mode is including? Register addressing mode is including. Why? Because here A, B is specified. AB is specified. This is a B register. Okay. B is specified. And here no register, no data, no address. So this is the difference between addressing, register addressing or implicit addressing. Understood, student? Different types of addressing mode. See once again in shortly. There are 5 addressing mode: direct addressing mode, register addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, register indirect or implicit addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, directly address will be given. Means the instruction in which address is specified are called direct addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the instruction in which only registers are specified are called register addressing mode. Direct, for example, STA 7000. Register means move A, B. Immediate addressing mode, the instruction in which I is specified are called immediate addressing mode. Register indirect addressing modes, the instruction in which M is specified are called register indirect addressing mode. And last one is implicit addressing mode, means the instruction in which no data are specified, no registers are specified, no address are specified are called implicit or implied addressing mode. And this is a 5 addressing mode. This question is many times asked in board question for 4 marks. Now end of this session 2 of chapter 2. Thank you, student.